You guys know I am obsessed with skincare, so I was so excited to see the skincare addict tag going around YouTube. Back in 2013, tags were it on YouTube, and I did a ton of them on this channel. I loved tags. They sort of went away for a while, so it's exciting to see some of them come back. So if you guys also like tags, give the video a big thumbs up, and let's get into the skincare addict tag. Okay, so the first question is, how many products do you have in your routine currently? So currently I counted. In my nighttime routine, I use 11 products, and in my morning routine, I use 9. Number 2, the brand that you have the most favorites from. I have a couple. I would definitely say CosRx is one of them. Nothing that I've tried from CosRx has ever disappointed me. Benton is a line that is so dear to my heart because that sort of is where I really started to fall into the rabbit hole, was with Benton products. Especially their Snail Bee line is one of my absolute favorites. It really agrees with my skin. And one of the new ones that I'm really falling in love with is Klairs. Everything that I've tried from Klairs has been really great, especially their freshly juiced line. The vitamin C drop and the vitamin E mask have been spectacular for my face, and I can't wait to try more favorites from Klairs. Number 3, brands you like the least. This was a hard one for me because there's not really any products out there that have given me like a horrible experience or have been like really terrible. So I really had to rack my brain to come up with one, but I would have to say Scenic. Now Scenic, the products are absolutely fine, but I've never really been motivated to repurchase anything that I've tried from them, and I've never really seen any visible results one way or the other with their products. They're just okay. Number 4, brands on your wish list. I hope I say this one right. Pyongkang. You've seen these on Instagram, I'm sure. It's those really beautiful indigo glass bottles with the white label, really minimal kind of font, very beautiful. They've got a couple of products that look really cool. They've got this moisture gel that I'm hoping would be really great for dehydrated skin like mine, and they also have an essence toner that looks super promising, and I can't deny, honestly, everybody showing them off on Instagram just makes me want them more. So I really hope to try some products from their line soon. Products that have given you the most visible results. I absolutely would have to say Curology for this one. Curology has made such a difference in my skin when it comes to clogged pores and acne. It's really given me a lot of control over my skin. The second one that I would have to say is just the double cleansing method in general has been really a game changer for my skin. When I first started to get into skincare, this is when I started doing double cleansing. And all I did was add an oil cleanser and then use my regular cleanser. And I didn't really have any type of routine beyond that. I didn't have any additional steps, but my dull skin tone brightened up. My uneven textured skin got much more smooth, less blackheads, and a lot less breakouts and clogged pores, because I actually wasn't really removing all of my makeup at the end of the day when I was just using my regular cleanser. So when I started adding in the oil cleanser, wow, my skin really changed so much, and I really believe in the double cleansing method. And that's kind of where it all started for me, was I was like, oh, okay, well if this works, then the other stuff these people are talking about must work too. So that sort of kind of opened up the rabbit hole, the skincare rabbit hole, if you will. But yeah, definitely double cleansing makes a big difference in my skin. Number 6, the product with the best value. If I had to list one specific product, I would have to say it's the Face Shop Rice Water Oil. This stuff is such a great cleansing oil. It really gets down to the nitty-gritty, gets all of that sunscreen and makeup off of your face. It's been one of the greatest oils for doing right on your bare skin if you get any kind of grits. You know what I'm talking about, if you have clogged pores or even blackheads. When you put oil on your bare skin and really work it in, you start to feel these little like bumpy, gritty things coming out of your face. This is grits, and those are the little clogs that are stuck in your pores. The oil really pulls a lot of those up and out of your skin, and it's not greasy or heavy. I really love this cleansing oil. Before I found this cleansing oil, I was paying upwards of $20 for cleansing oils, especially like the DHC ones, Bossica. So I had been spending a lot on cleansing oils, and then I found this guy for like $7 on Amazon. So definitely a great value. Number 7, products that are worth the splurge. I don't really like to spend much more than $30 per product because I like to stay within a budget, and for me that's a lot of money. However, there are two that I have consistently spent beyond that budget for, and it's the Misha Time Revolution First Essence, as well as their Nighttime Repair Serum. So these products, I would say the essence was, when I bought it the first time, was probably about $45, and the night repair was probably about the same, about $40. So these products were a little bit more out of my price range, but they worked so well for my skin. I really, really loved them. And the great news is those products now, I'm noticing that prices come way down since I first tried those products. Now I think the essence is about $25, and the nighttime repair stuff is about $25 to $30 now. Number 8, the new skincare products in your routine. I'm so excited. I've really been like revisiting the roots of old skincare products that I've tried, you know, years ago that I haven't revisited in a while, and kind of bringing back some classics. So lately I have ordered the Benton Snail Bee Steam Cream Moisturizer. That used to be a holy grail moisturizer for me back in the day when I first discovered it. And I also just ordered the Snail Essence from that line as well. So I'm really excited to use those two products. Those were like my jam back in the day. I also ordered the Hado Labo Gokujan Hyaluronic Cream. Now I used this moisturizer years and years ago based on a recommendation I found on a blog. And this stuff worked so well for my dehydrated skin. When I first realized that my skin was dehydrated, this made such a difference in the feeling of my skin. And I went through so many jars of this stuff, but then I found other things that worked well once I educated myself and found other products that worked just as well. However, I'm going to go back to it. I'm really excited to try it again for the first time in a couple of years. So I'm just kind of having a lot of fun going back into the nostalgia of, products that really started the addiction. So I'm really excited to get those goodies back into my routine. So I hope you guys liked that skincare addict tag. If you did, I tag you to do it next. And leave me a comment in the box below. Let me know what skincare product has been making the most difference in your routine lately. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that red subscribe button so you don't miss out any more skincare goodies from me. Alright, I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.